Greetings and welcome to How to series for Realme C55 smartphone. If you have this smartphone and you want to change your ringtone and you want to change other sounds of this smartphone, then this is the video for you. Let's begin. Open your settings and then scroll down and click on sound and vibration. Now you can see it will show all the sounds, that media, alarm, notification. You can adjust the volume of it, like if you want to increase decrease the sound of media or a ringtone or notification or alarm, you can simply change it by dragging that icon. Now if you want to change your ringtone, click on ringtone and click on allow. Now these are the ringtones which are in your smartphone, that comes with the smartphone. Like if you want to change any ringtone, you want to set it that you just downloaded in your smartphone, then click on use from device, then search the ringtone, or you can just find it by scrolling down, and then to select, tap on that ringtone and come back. That's how you can save or set your ringtone.